King vulture, Sarcoramphus papa. The ancient Mayans believed that this vulture was a king who transported messages between the gods and humans. Northern bald ibis, Geronticus eremita. Northern bald ibis ranks as one of the rarest and most endangered of all known migratory birds. Black and yellow broadbill, Urolamus ochromalis. Wired bird of paradise, Seleucidas melanoleuca. Club-winged monacan, Macaropterus deliciousus. Common hill myna, Gracula religiosa. Because of their ability to depict human speech, common hill mynas are in-demand birds in the pet trade. Indo-Chinese green magpie, Sissa hypoleuca. Pin-tailed whita, Vidua macrura. Males play an important role in breeding with spectacular performance during courtship.